you and give you a little bit of the lay of the land of this for sure. It's awesome. So
yeah, man, it's been months we've been talking about it. Show me around. We got a blank canvas, don't we?
You remember what it looked like before.
Yep.
You know, so obviously they've taken it down to the studs and everything now and they gutted it. But so over here, we're gonna go ahead and this is all, these are getting moved. Stairs are getting moved. This is gonna be kitchen.
All this down here is gonna be living space?
All this is gonna be living space.
Wow,
so
that's awesome.
This is all gonna be open here. There's gonna be kitchen here with the big island here and everything. All this is gonna go.
You're losing the bedroom downstairs?
Yeah, this extra room is gone. And there's just gonna be a powder and kitchen area. So the powder will be down here in this area. And then,
so kind of the same spot.
Yeah, this is all gonna be open. And then going over here, this is all gonna be like dining area. So again, picture this all open. So this is all one big open living space down here, kitchen and the island. And then obviously when we go over here, this entire front is gonna have folding glass doors.
Yeah, indoor, outdoor space for sure.
Yeah, what do you think about that? That's gonna be pretty sweet, right?
I think it's awesome. I mean, you know, the biggest concern when you buy properties that are built in the 50s is that everything's so tiny.
Yeah.
Because people just had smaller rooms back then. So like the open floor plan concept is gonna be amazing. And with the floor to ceiling glass and the accordion doors.
Yeah, that's gonna be cool. And then potentially they're kicking around an idea of maybe having like a little peninsula bar top or something so that you can have like a chill spot, like when you're indoor outdoor style, like, you know, I mean, the boardwalk, the beach, I mean, it's gonna be, it's gonna be a vibe for sure.
I mean, well, that's the focal point, right?
Of course.
And you're on the front row.
Yeah.
There's no obstruction, so you want to maximize the view every opportunity you have. I love it. I love it.
Yeah, I mean, everything's getting touched. It's gonna be pretty sweet. So
they're moving these stairs.
Stairs are gonna be moved. So this is, I'll show you right now, we'll walk up. These are gonna go and they're gonna be moved over there and they're gonna be more in the center of the whole structure. Everybody watch your step. No railings.
Wow, it's all the drywall pulled out, like it really opens this space up.
Yeah, so you remember this is the primary.
Yeah.
This is gonna stay the primary. They're moving the stairs, so there's gonna add floor space. This is all gonna be floor over here. So this is gonna.
That makes so much sense.
Yeah, it's gonna be a massive primary. Again, up here, glass.
All the way to the wall?
Everything's gonna be glass. I'm pretty sure, I don't exactly know the exact dimensions on where, but yeah, for the most part, everything is gonna have doors. They will open up. So obviously with a bit of an overhang, and then the cool thing about this area too is right here before, this was the bathroom, this is the closet, and that's where everything ended for the master, for the primary. But that's gonna get changed because they're pushing everything.
So just like the living room downstairs, they're opening it all up and creating that open concept space.
Yes, but the cool thing is, and I'll take you over here and kind of show you, these secondary bedrooms right here as they are now, obviously they're hollowed out. The stairs, like you said, I'd say somewhere in this range here is where in the middle where the stairs will be. And all of this space, this is where the magic happens. Like they're enclosing all of this and adding extra square footage and pushing everything this way.
So the stairs are gonna go approximately here, which means that the master bedroom will end somewhere around here?
Yeah, the master's getting pushed. So the closet, the bathroom, everything, and the living space in the master, the primary is all getting pushed. Wow. So then the new footprint and bedrooms will start over here in this area. They're gonna have ensuite style bathroom. They're pushing everything out, and all of this right here is gonna be, I mean, all the way to the edge, and then even you can push out there a little bit as you see the other homes. Maybe I'm not sure how far out. It's all about how much they can squeeze, but they're gonna maximize. And basically, so the secondary bedrooms are gonna be here and here too. And then obviously there'll be a wall separation, but so they're taking, and they're really gonna maximize it. And on top of what they're gonna do on building up as well, on the top level.
Wow. I mean, they're really maximizing the space. I mean, big time. I mean, these rooms are gonna be bigger, pushed out. I could see the stairs. It's hard to imagine right now, but I could see now how that would all work out.
Well, the cool thing is if you wanna come back in here, if the stairs are here and the primary goes out there, you have to think the added amount of square footage that the primary gets for that view, and then also these secondary bedrooms getting extra, like, I mean, we're standing in this room right now. It's not huge, but when you think about adding all that in there and enclosing it and having ensuite style bathroom for both, that's huge. So that's what's cool about it too. It's like, I know that Brian said he's literally like, they're gonna be at the max of allowable floor space in this project. So, I mean, and then I would say the money shot is upstairs, where say we're here, we're gonna have stairs that go up.
One more level.
One more level.
Okay.
And if you can visualize with me, at the top up there, there's a fourth room, which is gonna be considered like a flex, or it's a fourth bedroom, gonna probably be showcased more as like a den or a family room, but it's gonna be completely enclosed, like a room and everything, just like the other bedrooms. There's gonna be a full kitchen, there's gonna be a bath upstairs, and then there's gonna be partially covered and then uncovered rooftop deck.
Yeah.
And that is where, and the design that it's gonna be for all of this is it's gonna be stunning. So I think it's gonna be pretty cool, man. Like that's gonna be amazing. So,
I love that.
You know, like having the boardwalk in front it's cool. Some people are like, I don't want my doors open in my outdoor living and I'm sitting with the people driving by on their bikes or the riffraff in the summer.
Yeah.
Upstairs, total privacy,
amazing
views.
But you have the flexibility to go down.
Yeah.
And I love that too, because
kitchen upstairs.
You lose the downstairs bedroom, but then you add that flex space up top.
Yeah.
And some people won't need it. And then you can have like a guest room or a living room, and the people that do need it, you're good. You got 4 bedrooms. So I can't wait to see the next step, the next stage.
Yeah. Well, we'll be doing some more progress reports as things commence here and get going. I think we're looking at doing work probably the next month or 2 with everything starting, and then just do updates and see. It's gonna be a pretty amazing transformation. That's what's gonna be cool about it. So I'm stoked.
I'm excited for you, bro.
Yeah.
Can't wait.